Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Toyota Prevost Motorhome is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. Outside lighting, adaptive LED lighting systems for the front and back not only improve visibility in all conditions. Storage. There are ample underseat storage areas that are accessible from both sides, have internal lighting, and have automatic locking systems. Accessibility. An automated ladder with height adjustment and lighting rails are features of the main entry, located on the right. A fully integrated 360-degree video system to assist with parking and maneuvering through tight spaces. The latest entertainment system from Toyota, with a large touchscreen voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a top-tier JBL or Mark Levinson sound system, is located inside. Swivel seats, an extended dining table, and luxurious leather sofas that recline allow for a variety of arrangements. A gaming console and on-demand entertainment system are connected to a large-screen smart TV that emerges from behind cabinets as the entertainment center. Kitchen, built-in dishwasher, convection oven, microwave, multi-burner induction cooktop, and full-size refrigerator and freezer. A pantry that swings out and has movable shelves ensures efficient storage. The main bedroom features a luxurious memory foam mattress, Egyptian linen sheets and cushions, and a king-size bed. Drawers for hidden storage and spacious built-in closets. The bedroom also has another smart TV. Advanced hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Toyota Prevost may be powered by a diesel-electric hybrid powertrain system developed by Toyota rather than the traditional diesel engine that powers the Prevost. It will have a powerful diesel engine, a high-capacity battery, and a robust electric motor. Adaptive air suspension. The Prevost's advanced air suspension system will be enhanced by Toyota's adaptive technology. By using braking energy to recharge the hybrid battery, the regenerative braking system reduces brake wear and increases economy. Toyota Connected Services, remote monitoring and automated emergency assistance.